So how could you use Gemini to help you research? Maybe it's about summing up articles, whether it be online on a website or a PDF. So let's try this in a new chat. I'm going to ask Gemini this prompt right here. So I want to know what type of prompts can I use in Gemini that will help me summarize articles. And remember, you can ask Gemini for help like this to understand how your prompt should be created. And as you can see, Gemini gave me some ideas on how I should talk to it. It starts with the basic summarization, and then gives me a little bit more information about how to talk to it. So if you're learning how to create these prompts, you can ask Gemini to help you out. I would suggest with your prompts to start simple, then layer it in, and as you get more specific, as you go along, just remember to have that conversation with it.